Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back in your English reading class. Hope you all will be fine. Dear students, have you done with reading of lesson number 1, book page number 9, which was given as homework in your previous class? Okay, so now open book page number 14. Lesson number 2, this is poem. Two little dicky birds.
दो नन्हे मुन्ने परिंदे.
Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall.
दो नन्हे मुन्ने परिंदे बैठे थे दीवार पे.
One named Peter, the other named Paul.
एक का नाम था पीटर और दूसरा था पॉल.
Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul.
उड़ जाओ पीटर, उड़ जाओ पॉल.
Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
आ जाओ पीटर, आ जाओ पॉल.
Dear students, we are done with the reading of lesson number 2. Now your today's homework is to solve exercise D, book page number 13. Along with that, reading of book page number 10. Here it is written, book page number 10. Now, what you have to do is, the letters in these words are jumbled. Now you have to arrange these letters in correct spelling. These are the names of animals. You have to write these animals' name on your rough copy. Be safe, stay home. Do your homework in neat and clean writing. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.